What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the 2021 Kia Soul. 2021. Show you guys how to take off the trim panel, the door handle, and the mirror. Get your flathead screwdriver, and there's a little patch down here. You're gonna flip the tab up. There's a little square tab. You're gonna flip it up and take the screw from out of there. Come on, man. Alright guys, go ahead and take that screw out there. It's the fillet. You're gonna put the flathead up between the crease. Just like that. And you're gonna pry out the trim panel. Just like that. Take that piece off. Just like that, pop it out. Comes out. Just like that. Take that piece out, right there. All you gotta do is push that tie back right there. See that tie? Push it and it comes out. Unplug it. Bam. That's how you do that. Comes right off. Alright? Now, in order to get off this mirror, unplug it. Take those three screws out. You see that little small screw right there? That is a safety. Go ahead and take that from there. Take that piece out first. Now go ahead and take the screws out. One more left. Just like that. And shake it and it comes out. It comes right out. Alright? Now to get out this handle, take that piece out. Once you gotta take that piece out, it's a number 10 or Phillips inside there, this screw. So take it out. Just like that. It have a safety thing that holds it, so it's okay. Now use your flathead and you put it right there, right between the groove. Hold this side open. That's it, guys. It comes right out. Then pull this out. That's it, guys. Pretty simple. All right. With that said, guys, please like that video, subscribe, and rock this wave with your boy, baby. I'll catch you in the next video.